Knee pain taking you out of squats, Olympic lifting, running, lunging. Maybe it's that pain that's right on the front of the knee. People have maybe told you that it's patellar tendonitis, runner's knee, jumper's knee, right? Super common, okay? So now, if you've been dealing with this for a while, right, it's time to stop resting it. You heard that right. We need to stop resting and we need to start loading, okay? So now, one of the root causes of knee pain often is one, too much load too soon, but also stability and strength through that single leg and through that hip, through that foot and hip complex, to actually stabilize the knee the way that it needs to and gets loaded poorly. And guys, that's what we're going to be going over today. If you haven't done it yet, remember, I'm Dr. Michael Dancini, Dr. Tank here at Grand Overhead PT. Subscribe to the channel. We come at you daily, everybody. So, don't miss a way to be awesome. We all want to be awesome. You can be awesome if you follow us daily. Okay. So now, today we're going to be talking about what's called a single leg step down. It's a way we can build strength and stability up through that single leg, but also begin to load that tendon on the front of the knee to actually get it to feel better. So you're going to get a box, vary the height of the box based on the pain in the knee, okay? Or based on the strength and stability which you're able to actually do. And you're going to keep that toe forward. You're going to keep that knee out towards the outside of the foot with the big toe, the pinky, and the heel all staying in contact on the ground. You're going to slide this back heel off. You're going to go down. You're going to tap the toe and come up. Okay, so you're going to just go down nice and slow. Tap the toe. Bring it on up. Okay, so this is essentially a version of a single leg squat to where we can actually get a lot of loading through that knee while we help to load that hip, make the hip stronger, make everything around the knee stronger so that you can have less knee pain and you can get back to doing all the squatting and running and jumping that you really want to do. So guys, give this a try. Remember, I'm Dr. Tank here at Grand Overhead PT. Subscribe and we'll see you next time.